Today I'll show you how to make 2 wall decor items for your home with Dollar Tree frames. Let's get started. For these 2 projects, I used 4 small picture frames and 3 8x10 picture frames from Dollar Tree. For my first project, I painted my large picture frames with gold metallic acrylic paint that I purchased at Dollar Tree. These frames were used in a previous project, so I did not have to prime or use Mod Podge to prime them. If you use new picture frames, you would use primer or Mod Podge for primer. Next, I painted a wooden cutout that I purchased at Dollar Tree with my gold acrylic paint as well. After I was done painting my wooden cutout, I used alcohol and my cleaning rag to clean up my mess. Next, I filled in the holes on my wooden cutout with Gorilla Hot Glue. I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach my wooden cutout to one of my picture frames. For the next step, I used silver glitter tissue paper that I purchased at Family Dollar. I traced the back of the stuffing out of my picture frame onto my tissue paper with my X-Acto knife, but you could use a marker. And I used my scissors to cut out my square. I placed my glass and my tissue paper face down into my frame. I took off my stand from the back of my frame and I placed it inside my frame as well. And this is what it looks like. Next, I used Gorilla Clear Grip and Gorilla Hot Glue to attach my 2 empty frames to my wooden cutout frame. And this project was complete. Next, I'll show you the second project. And once I'm done with my second project, I'll show you both projects once I put them on the wall. I placed two small picture frames that I purchased at Dollar Tree together, face side down, and I attached them using Gorilla Clear Grip and Gorilla Hot Glue. I also used masking tape along with Gorilla Hot Glue to further secure my frames. Then I made a second set. I decided I would be painting my frames anyway, so the silver frame really didn't matter. I painted my frames with gold acrylic paint that I purchased at Dollar Tree, but I would suggest priming or using Mod Podge before this step. As you will see later, I ended up having to do just that. Once I was done painting my frames, I painted two metal flowers that I purchased at Dollar Tree during the spring, silver, and I attached them to the center of each one of my set of frames. For this step, I used Gorilla Clear Grip and Gorilla Hot Glue. I attached a gem to each one of my flowers using Gorilla Hot Glue, and the second project was complete. Here's the first finished project, and here's the second finished project along with the first. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.